True Colours Theatre is an inclusive performance charity which is based on confidence building and making friendships with full acceptance, where everybody can come without any judgment. I feel really passionate about what I do because it's what we need. I myself have autism and ADHD. I know how it feels to struggle and how it feels to have to mask things. And I would have loved a place like this where I was accepted. Here, everybody can be themselves. My niece was born with complex needs, and when she was born, we noticed that there was a lack in inclusivity in performing arts. And then True Colours Theatre was set up and grew from there. So before we were given this building, we were running from a community centre. It wasn't big enough. It wasn't a place where they could be themselves, because if there was someone who's feeling overwhelmed, the general public were in as well, and that's not what you want. You need to feel safe. We were given this building, which was amazing, but then it wasn't livable. It had mouldy toilets, it had no electricity, it needed so much work, and we were looking at it thinking, how on earth are we going to do this? Made the world of difference to our members, but also to the local community as well. The first weekend which the filming went out, we've now got an extra 100 members who have joined. The floor is beautiful. So this is perfect. It's where we're going to be able to dance, where we're going to have to perform. It just makes all the difference. Really, really excited to bring the classes, the members, to watch them running around that garden, to see them dancing in this lovely space. I think it's going to be so magical. Our members, our families, myself, I couldn't be more grateful, and you'll always be part of our journey.